fjeracn Sanitary Products Company Limited is located in Jinjiang City, Fujian, China. The Center of Sanitary Products. We have 21 years manufacturer history and 15 years exporting experience. We majorly export to Europe, Russia, South America, Africa, Southeast Asia, East Asia, Australia, USA, and etc. Our factory is with totally 20 production lines, which is all high advanced quality. Monthly, we can supply 400 containers baby diapers, 100 containers sanitary pads, 30 containers adult diapers, and 30 containers baby wipes. Welcome to join our family.